So this is tempura.
Flavor. Oh, I don't know about
Tempura, and this is
It's not gonna be good.
one of my favorite.
It don't matter where we go. It don't matter where we stay tonight. Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, Travis will try the Filipino snacks that we bought earlier at E-Mart, and then let's see what he thinks. Maybe he likes it or not. Let's see. Okay, so first one, we're gonna show you guys the snacks that we bought first. So what are you laughing at? Parang balloon si Travis. Okay, go grab those I think we bought only 6.
Why are these all shrimp flavored?
Dali, kunin mo yung So we have tempura. And then we have this sweet corn. Yeah, we have potato fries. Oh, I bought 2 potato fries. Hindi ko nakita. And then we have this oishi and piatos. So, papatry natin sa kanya isa-isa. So, you have to try first this one, oishi. Let me just grab
Does that mean it's like a shrimp flavor?
Yeah, but it's not really You will try
Want me to open it?
No, we need Wait lang.
What do we need?
We need the
scissors?
Yeah.
Why didn't I just open them?
Because I need to sell that because you're not gonna eat all of it, right?
I will. I'll eat all these bags.
Oh, really? Okay, let's see. So, he will try first this one. Oishi. Oishi
Prawn
Prawn
crackers.
Crackers. Okay. Try, babe. So, what do you think?
Ugh!
Okay?
Ugh!
Ano nga? No, it's not bad.
Oh.
Taste it. Just taste it. I mean, eat it.
No. That's disgusting.
Oh my god. Ang sarap kaya nito. This is
You try one.
Oh, I like that. This is one of my favorites.
Tastes like shrimp.
Yeah, that's why it's
Ugh.
prawn crackers.
That's disgusting.
No,
I'll
it's
throw up.
delicious
I'll
for
throw
me.
up everywhere.
Okay, he doesn't like the prawn
No, that's
crackers.
disgusting. It should never be made. Ugh.
You're so arty, babe.
That's disgusting.
No, you're so
There's a
arty.
reason there's a shrimp on the outside of it.
Okay, next one. Mamaya na tayo mag-shrimp ulit. So, next one, potato. So, he likes potato. So, this one is potato fries with tomato ketchup flavor. Let's see if he likes this.
I put all of it.
Okay. This is also one of my favorite. So, these 6 bags that we have is the snacks that I usually eat in the Philippines. You like it, right? Good.
It's tolerable.
What do you mean tolerable?
It's not good. I could.
It's good.
don't
Tingnan
know.
mo? You keep eating it, so it means it's good.
I don't know. I don't know.
You like it or not?
Uh,
Okay, rate it 1 to 10. How do you rate this?
maybe a 4.
4? What about the first one?
0.
Grabe siya. Ang sarap nga yun. Yung favorite ko yun. Okay, next one. Hindi talaga mahilig si Travis
That
sa
one's a
prawns.
little
Sa
salty,
shrimp.
so I don't mind it.
Si
So
Travis,
this must just be. That must just be regular.
this is the regular one. Okay, let's try this. Same thing, potato fries,
Well,
but
what's this flavor? What's that say?
barbecue flavor.
Oh no, this is barbecue, so it is a different flavor.
Yeah.
Now this one shouldn't be too bad.
You try it.
That's better. Yeah. I like that one.
Rate it.
6.5.
Ano ba yun? Grabe naman magbigay ito ng ratings. So, si Travis kasi doesn't like shrimp pagka in
Maybe it's seven.
snacks or what. So, he doesn't like that. So, kaya hindi niya nagustuhan yung prawn
Yeah,
crackers.
this one's not bad.
Okay, next one. So, next one that we will try is this. This is also good, babe. This is my, childhood snacks favorite. Parang ganon. Favorite
Sweet corn?
ko. Sweet corn. Okay, let's try.
Parang na ganyan.
Try natin.
I like corn, so I should like this one.
Try.
Oh, they're like little balls.
Yeah. You don't like it? Rate it.
Three.
Grabe. Grabe magbigay ng rating to Okay, next one.
Yeah, not good.
So we tried the four snacks already, and the only thing he likes is this one. The barbecue flavor of potato fries. Okay, next one we will try. He's not being maarte, guys, ha? He's just being true of what he really likes. Ganon kasi talaga si
I'm
Travis.
very picky.
Very picky siya kapag kasi snacks, ganun. Lahat naman tayo merong inaayawan. And sometimes, me, I don't like something, some of their, food, some other food.
Maybe this is
Oh.
cheese.
You will like this.
I think I'll like this if it says cheese cook.
So, we made this video because
Good.
this is his first time to try our Filipino snacks.
Okay,
yes,
so
and
far
someone
the only good
requested,
one is this one.
Yeah, so far. And then the next one is piatos.
Okay,
Piatos. Wait lang, kalma. Let's show them. Piatos with cheese flavor.
Okay,
Try it now.
I'm gonna try it. Try it.
It's gonna eat all of it for sure. We're gonna like this. This is the popular snacks in the Philippines. And other Americans
Not
like
bad. A little bland.
other Americans likes this.
Little bland. I think I'd give it like a 6.
Ano 6?
It's not like
Masarap siya. Masarap siya.
it's cheesy, but not like
What?
it's not too cheesy, but it's kind of bland. Like, yeah, I taste the cheese, but it's nothing special. It's nothing. I probably wouldn't buy this again.
Grabe. Grabe siya. Okay, last one.
I can eat it this time, but I probably wouldn't buy it again.
Okay, this one, babe, is another shrimp. But you have to taste it first, huh? Okay. Maybe you like it. Let's see,
I don't know.
okay.
There's a fried shrimp, so maybe I like a fried shrimp
Fried. So this is
Shrimp?
tempura.
flavor. Oh, I don't know about this.
Tempura. And this is
It's not gonna be good.
one of my favorite. One of the, all of the snacks, this is the best for me.
You're
For me.
crazy.
Kasi, yes, I like this. And,
Alright.
yeah. Kasi basta mahilig ako sa shrimp and
It's
sa prawns, I like it. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Look at your face! Smell it first.
Oh gosh.
But it tastes really good, I'm telling you.
I don't even want to taste it.
Try only one. Dali.
Oh no.
You're gonna like that. Try nga! Ito naman! when we go to Philippines, I will let you try other snacks. It's not bad. It's good though.
Oh. One. Here. No.
So you mean you like this better than the other
Yeah,
prawns?
I can at least not throw this up. I cannot eat this.
Because this one, he doesn't like this. So this one, he can...
Do you like that?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, well,
What?
I'll eat my barbecue one.
So far, This is the one that he likes.
It's a winner.
Potato fries, barbecue flavor. So, ayun lang guys. So, we tried this, trying Filipino snack to my husband.
These two are the winner.
Yeah. So he likes the piatos. But this snacks, they have different flavor pa that you can buy or you can choose. So we just bought this because this is the only available snacks that they have. So we went to E-Mart and we bought the snacks, and yes, itinry ko na ipa-try sa kanya, and he doesn't like the prawns talaga, the shrimp.
Disgusting.
Why it's disgusting for you? For other people, it's like for me, it's really...
I don't like that. I don't like the fishy taste.
So you mean you
It's
don't like
like-
a really fish,
I just don't like that fishy taste. It's like it's not good. I don't like it. It doesn't taste good.
What
Smell
about...
good.
Is that only for you or other Americans too? Most of them, they don't like fish. Because I
don't-
heard some, they don't like
I don't-
cooking fish inside the house.
I don't know. I can't speak for other people. I think.
What about your parents?
Oh, they would not eat that.
They would not eat
Nope.
it. What about your relatives?
Nope.
They do eat it.
No.
Oh, okay. So, this is his experience, and he doesn't like nga talaga ng fish. Kaya, most of the time, I don't, I cook only chicken.
I can do like salmon because it doesn't stink.
Sometimes, we don't like specific food, but for Travis, he doesn't like fish, prawns,
But now, if you cook the fish, I can eat it, and most of the time, but not like this. I don't like it like this, and I'm not dipping any chicken and fish gut that you were eating, like the
the crab paste.
yeah,
I like that.
that straight up smelled like guts, like fish gut.
So, si Travis kasi, he's very straightforward. If he doesn't like the food, he will tell you that I don't like it. He's not gonna pretend that he likes it, because some people do that, right?
Yeah.
Some people like,
And she loves that about me.
because some people like, no, sometimes I don't like it.
She'll be
especially
like, "Oh, you like my food?"
especially if you're around with other people,
Oh,
they,
you like
they
my
might
food?
think that you're super arte or what, like you're super picky.
I am.
But I'm okay with that,
I am
because
picky.
I'm used to it, that he's telling me that I don't like that, babe, because for me it doesn't taste good. But it's not good for when we're around other people, babe.
Yeah.
Diba? So
Yeah, diba? But
so
she still
far,
gets mad.
yeah, I still get mad.
Just to be, hey, you like my food? Yeah. Yeah.
No,
Well, then,
I don't get
you
mad.
just cook for yourself then.
That's why I don't cook fish here in this house. So the only food that I cook is what he likes. So yun. But sometimes if I want something, he will buy.
We will go out and I will buy her sushi.
If I want something, he will buy me like this, but not the fish that you have to cook inside the house.
We have to cook it outside if we're gonna cook it.
So most of them here, they cook the fish outside. So they have that grilled, diba, babe?
Yeah, so it's not, the smell doesn't fill your home.
So medyo sensitive sila sa ganon. So I think hindi naman lahat, not all of them are like that, but some
Not
Americans.
everybody.
Yeah, not everybody. So yun.
Just the
So
Belgians.
that's all for today. So thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye.
Alright, thanks.